Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to undo or recall emails using Outlook. Now, if you're one of those people who use Outlook, and if you sent an email by mistake and you want to recall or undo said sent email, it's very easy. All you need to do is, of course, for example, this is our test email right here, and click send. Now it's sending. One, you can click on this, undo, right? So if you do that, you're not gonna send the email. It's not gonna be sent, as you can see here in the sent items. Another thing you can do is, let's send it again. As you can see, it is sending. Let's wait for it to send. All right, there you go. It's sent. So as you can see here today, so click on that. If you click on this email, usually within 10 seconds, but it's been over 10 seconds, but the internet is slow. As you can see, there is an undo button here. So if it's within 10 seconds, you can still undo or recall the email. As you can see, it is beyond 10 seconds because the sending has been longer than usual. But if your internet is fast, you can click undo here over the top. And that's it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.